walking distance to many of the city's landmarks. One of them is this beautiful park and is only 3 minutes walk away. So we'll start our journey right here in the center of Guayaquil at the Seminario Park. Now this park is actually built in the 19th century and it's famous for its large, huge 8-point stars. That's why many refer to it as the Star Park. Now, another attraction is iguanas. There's dozens of them. You can see all over the place. And that's why many also call it the Iguana Park. The friendly and chill green iguanas known as the iguana from Guayaquil. Since all reptiles are cold-blooded, they need the sun to restore the energy spent looking for food. These reptiles come down from the tree to feel the heat and settle themselves in a clear sight, staying static for hours. In 1889, the equestrian monument to Simon Boulevard was built and the place was renamed Plaza Boulevard. By then, philanthropist Manuel Seminario made an important donation to renovate the park. Subsequently, it took the last name of this illustrious citizen. Across the street, there's a place to pray for my past sins committed on this trip. The Metropolitan Cathedral of Guayaquil, or officially the Cathedral of Saint Peter's. The current cathedral is a successor to Guayaquil's main cathedral at the time of the city's foundings. The original cathedral was made from wood and located on Santa Ana Hills. This cathedral was destroyed in a fire in 1892. The current building was constructed in a neo-Gothic style between 1924 to 1937. It is getting late and we can all agree it's time to fuel up. One of the popular street food is shawarmas, but there's something I really missed. So this is actually really refreshing Chinese food done by from my hometown. You get to see this shrimp, rice. There's some noodles on the bottom and fried rice. It looks absolutely amazing. For dessert, don't worry, I got you covered. You'll find tons of cheap eats. Most cost less than $1 at the Malcolm 2000, the name given to the boardwalk overlooking the Guala River. We cannot forget about Ecuadorian ice creams, but most famous is Churros, a fried toad pastry with the origin traced back to Spain and Portugal. Churros are generally prism in shape and may be straight, curled, or spirally twisted. It's fried until they become crunchy and may be sprinkled with sugar.